Hey there, West Houston business owners. Ever had your day grind to a halt because of a slow printer or a network outage? Annoying, right? But what if I told you that the speed of your IT support could make or break your productivity? That's where Impress IT Solutions comes in. When something goes wrong with your tech, you need help fast. Impress IT Solutions is your local, reliable partner who understands that every second counts. They know that slow ticket response times can bring your business to a standstill. So, what exactly is ticket response time? It's the time between submitting an IT request and getting a response. This is crucial because the quicker the response, the faster the fix. With Impress.T, your team gets a fast, professional response, often within minutes, not hours. Here's how they do it. First, they offer with clear SLAs. No vague promises, just accountability. Second, they use to prioritize issues by urgency so critical problems get immediate attention. Third, they provide. Email, call, or submit through their portal. Getting help is easy, and tracking updates is even easier. Fourth, they have. No more getting bounced around. You get a West Houston-based team that knows your business. And finally, they offer. Regular reports show average response times and resolution metrics, so you always know how support is performing. Why does this matter? Because fast response times equal real business value. It boosts productivity, enhances customer service, improves security, and lifts employee morale. We hear it all the time. I submitted a ticket and never heard back. But not from our clients, says Impress. They know we'll be there when it counts. If your current IT provider is slow, hard to reach, or leaves you hanging, it's time for a change. Impress IT Solutions, West Houston's fast response IT partner, local, reliable, fast. Contact them today to learn more about their help desk packages and experience truly responsive IT support.